not sleeping. He never used to sleep. We have never seen him sleeping, to be very honest. When he was up, even when he's saying, I'm going to rest, subhanAllah, he's in the bed, and you just see his tasbih. And he would wake up and go and make fresh wudu. We never saw him actually sleeping, no. Not like here, we are coming for Fajr, everyone is snoring so hard.
He used to come for Fajr, and he used to tell other people who he was asleep, but he was never asleep.
Yes. And so Maulana Sheikh went in that rabbit of his, and the car started going very fast, very fast, very fast. And the brakes are not working well. And Sheikh Suleiman is starting to sweat. And then Maulana just woke up, looked at him and smiled, and told him, do you think you are in charge? And everything became okay. There is another event we witnessed. One brother, his name is Khanan, they call him Black Khanan. Yes, he was driving. He was driving with his family in a van from Birmingham, and the moment he touched the brake, he touched the steering, they reached motorway, he fell asleep on the steering.
That's right. We was here when he came into
And Maulana Sheikh, immediately he said to Haji Anna, this foolish Khanan, he's sleeping. And his body became very heavy. He slept from Birmingham until he parked his car here outside.
He came and ran and said it's a miracle.
No, he shouted, he said, if I was not going to use spiritual power, you would have been crushed and finished. So he advised, anyone driving, you feel tired, pull on the motorway, sleep. Don't drive. He said, Karamas don't work all the time. But you could see so much karamat with him in everything.
We once was going far away with Louis Watson and family with Maulana in my car. And I had a 1 litre car. And he went into a 3 litre BMW. And they were taking him on the roads far away. And he said, come. So we got in the car, filled up the car. And this car started to pull away on the motorway. And my car can only do about 85, 90. He was starting to do. Then my car started to pull, and it did 140 miles an hour behind the car, and I was going like that. And I said, can you all see what's going on here? The car was going to pop out, and then it went, I said, I'll just come like that, just go onto your right. The car was going faster than it could do. That's many miracles.
There's so many every day you see it. And one of a very special speciality of Maulana Sheikh, one of his karamat, we saw many times in Peckham, so many people had questions in their heart. And in one sohbat of half an hour, 20 minutes, he would answer everyone's questions in their heart. This is actually what pulls me to him. So we never used to go and ask him questions, we just make intention in your heart, and in a sohbah wherever he will just answer it. And then at Haji Mustafa's house, and then he said to us, he said, old people, no need to come and knock and ask every time. Make intention, inshallah, the Grand Sheikh will reach you. He said, give chance to the new people who are coming to Islam. Give chance to new people who are coming to Tariqah, so they can go to him. So if you still do, subhanallah, I remember following him for months, maybe 3 months, he's not even talking to you. You say Salamu Alaikum, he even turns the face away. He was very hard. But and then later he said that was teaching, tarbiyah, of teaching you manners and trying to humble the ego.
Many great stories.